But look at the daily candle. Very nice, but slightly giving up, but a strong candle. I think it's the strongest candle of them all. And we're busy forming on the daily charts a flat top triangle. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel for another trading day. Today we'll look at cryptocurrencies again, still making high wave candles on the daily chart, showing that the markets are still not sure where they want to go. There's absolutely still no conviction from the bulls that we can see, although the weekly charts doesn't look that bad, but the dailies definitely not confirming the bullishness of the market at present. And that's worrisome as we are at Bitcoin here right on the all-time highs, where we did break the high and we couldn't hold on to the highs into the weekend last week. Still small candle this week. We're on Wednesday today, so no problem. But look at yesterday's candle. After selling off, yes, finding a little bit of a bid here on the long lower shadow, but also rejecting the highs, forming a doji candle on the end of the day. Look at Solana. Weekly, small candle still, no conviction. Nice candle yesterday. Not that I would buy based on this candle, but the market rejecting the lows at support level here, closing near the highs, and then give up last night. So definitely not good news for Solana if we look at last night. XRP disappointing still. We saw this long upper shadow, market rejecting those highs, and then fizzling down the page. It's just not doing that much. Nice candle yesterday to a certain extent. Long lower shadow at support, no problem, but also rejecting those highs. You can see there. It rejected the lows, rejecting the highs, selling off last night again. XLM, terrible candle on the weeklies last week. But look at the dailies. A little bit of a push yesterday, but look there. Market rejected the lows, rejected the highs. Have no clue where they want to go. Definitely no idea. Cardano, terrible candle last week. Look at the dailies. Pushing slightly yesterday. Long upper shadow, long lower shadow. Lethargic. No conviction, absolutely no conviction in the market. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor, Inkasu. Do you struggle with customer queries that takes up all your time? Contact Inkasu to help transform your website customer focus with an integrated AI staff member. For more info, check out the link in the description. Bitcoin Cash. Let's see, for the first 3 days of the week, just completely sideways. Let's look at the daily candles. Look there, long upper shadow, long lower shadow, doji candle, market confused, don't know where they want to go. Chainlink, terrible candle last week, well actually for the last 2 weeks, pushing okayish on the weekly charts. Look at the daily charts. I think it's only Ethereum that's got a better candle on the daily charts than Chainlink. Chainlink, nice candle rejecting the lows, holding well. So I am keeping my eye on this one. A nice strong bull candle here would actually be very good, because we see a flag pattern, 1, 2, 3 tests. Usually it breaks on the 4th attempt, and this would be the 4th attempt now. So I really like the technical pattern here. Polkadot, terrible candles for 2 weeks. Very lethargic for the week so far. Nice candle pushing yesterday, but giving up last night yet again. Then we've got Litecoin. Litecoin, not much doing for the week. Look at the dailies. Beautiful candle, but giving up last night. Yesterday candle push close on the highs, and the market just immediately gives up. Not good. The bulls are not pulling through. Dogecoin, very sideways. Look at the dailies. High wave candle. Small bodies, high wave candles. There's no conviction. Ethereum, pushing nicely on the weekly chart. It needs to close above those 2 long upper shadows I've showed you. But look at the daily candle. Very nice, but slightly giving up, but a strong candle. I think it's the strongest candle of them all. And we're busy forming on the daily charts a flat top triangle, which would be absolutely confirming what I've seen on the daily charts. That long upper shadows rejecting those highs, but as it fails to make new highs, it's actually making higher lows, which is also very bullish if you look at the pattern. So any close up there and then counter reversals from there, this would really confirm on the dailies that Ethereum wants to move. Lastly, Uniswap, nice candle for the week. It actually looks good for the week. You look at the daily charts, high wave candle yesterday. We had the strong candle 2 days ago, and immediately the market gone from quite strong bullish to, well, we don't know where we want to go. This candle closed like this tonight and higher, that will be awesome. But at this stage, there's no conviction. So sit on our hands is the best action at this stage. I just do my dollar averaging on a monthly basis, and that's it. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please follow the comments below this video and support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk. Don't forget to trade responsibly and never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.